Hey guys, and welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be cleaning this Compaq keyboard. Now, this isn't going to be any normal cleaning, like just wiping it down. I'm going to be deep cleaning this by disassembling it and cleaning each individual key, as well as rinsing off the housing of it, the keyboard framing and stuff. So let's just get straight into it. Now I have a screwdriver here to remove all these screws from the bottom, of course. So let's just remove them. So, all these screws are removed, should just come apart. Just unclips, I guess. There's some clips at the bottom I need to unclip. Now, let's get this tool. Oh, I think there's a screw under the feet here. So no screws under that. Okay, there we go. So that clip is permanently damaged. That's fine. There's plenty of screws here to hold it in place. So both feet are removed. Let's remove the last screw. And then back just comes off. So there we go, just plain back panel. So you can just put that aside. And this is the keyboard. So disconnect the cable for it and screw the grounding screw. There we go. Keyboard cable is detached. Just throw that on the ground. Now, let's disconnect some more cables here. So looks like this is soldered in. Just remove the whole PCB. Yep, that is hard soldered in. Okay, so take a picture of the keyboard keys so that I know where to put them when I'm so it should be good. Yep, that's a good enough picture. Okay, so now I can get to removing the screws here for the keyboard mechanism. It's a lot of screws, no clips, which I like. Cleaned up an eMachine's keyboard the other day. It was basically just held in with nothing. It just completely fell apart when it was disassembled. So it's really just the two plastic pieces sandwiching it together. And all of these screws look to be the same length, so there's no worrying about where they go. Okay. Oh, I missed a screw. Okay. So this should just come off. So just metal piece looks pretty clean, so that doesn't need to be cleaned. And here is the keyboard mechanisms, or mechanism membrane, whatever you want to call it. It's two pieces. And okay, separated. So carefully put that down. And here it is. All of the keys from the keyboard are just sitting here. So I'm gonna remove these screws for the last PCB, which is, I think, the LEDs. Yes, it is. And can move these rubber keys here. Yeah. It's all rubber, no plastic, which is interesting. And another set of rubber keys. Like this is solid rubber. That's crazy. That's weird. I expected them to be plastic buttons, but not sure if this is cheaper to manufacture or something, or something fall out. Doesn't seem like it. This screw here. Okay. Well, it's just a keyboard. Now it has a bunch of holes in it. So you can actually see how the mechanism works. So the little metal piece goes up and down. It's cool. So let's get these keys removed. So just gonna use a screwdriver, pry these out. There we go. Simple. So I'm gonna do this for all the keys, and I'll do a time lapse of it. So all the keys have been removed, and that's a lot of dirt underneath it. Like dead leaves and whatever dirt that is. So I'm gonna go rinse this outside, and I'll be right back. So as you guys can see, I've rinsed these off. I rinsed this one off on camera and this one off camera because, well, it's not that dirty compared to this. So they're both cleaner than last time. All I need to do now is clean the keys, which is gonna take a while. So I'm gonna do a time lapse of that. Okay, so I'm about halfway through cleaning the keys and getting them back inside the keyboard, which is pretty cool. And just finished this section over here, so all of these keys are complete, which is cool. And yeah, so that's good. It's raining, so it's a little bit dark. But yeah, halfway through, pretty cool. And I think I'll continue this video tomorrow because I have plenty of time to do this. So that's the key for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Alright, it's the next day, and you can tell because it's very sunny compared to, well, yesterday when I was filming. So, halfway through, we're gonna continue cleaning the keys, and I have to put this plastic piece, well, I guess like what is it, static thing, inside the keyboard. But before we continue, I want to thank you guys for 400 subscribers. I never thought I would get like more than 10 subscribers, but thank you guys for 400 subscribers. But let's get straight back into cleaning and installing these keys back into the keyboard. Alright, so all of the keys are back inside the keyboard. Now all I have to do is do some finishing touches, like cleaning up some grime around the keys, in between the keys. Some of the keys still have a little bit of grime on the top, like finger grease and stuff, like these little ridges here on this number 5 key. So, keyboard cleaned up pretty well, I should say. Feet. Looks pretty nice. So, now I have to get the keyboard back open to put that piece of plastic back in. So, that'll be fun. So, I've gotten everything taken apart. Now I can put this plastic cover back on. And it goes right there. I can put this back on. Screw it on. Okay, everything is screwed back on, which is good. And okay, I missed a screw the last time. Here, there's supposed to be one. Okay, so it's time to reconnect all the cables. So that one's for the keyboard itself. This one's for the shortcuts, I believe. Shortcut keys. All right. And all right, so it's time to screw all the screws back in now, and then the cleanup or the keyboard cleaning will be done. All right, so keyboard has been thoroughly cleaned. Looks fantastic now. And yeah, that was basically the whole video. I had no video ideas. So, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. And subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.